This video tutorial I will explain binary search method of arrays class which accept long array, from index, to index and the key. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the long array. It has 5 long values. Then I am calling sort method of arrays class and passing long array and from indexes 0, which is this position, and from index is inclusive, and to index is 4, which is this position, and to index is exclusive. What this sort method will do is it sort the long array content into ascending order in this range, because from index is inclusive and to index is exclusive. After sorting, I am displaying the long array content. Then I have defined the key as 10. Then I am calling binary search method of arrays class and passing long array from indexes 0, which is inclusive, and to indexes 4, which is exclusive, and passing the key as 10. What this binary search method will do is it searches the key 10 in the long array in this range. This is the range, and if you see, the key 10 is present in second position. So we will get index as 2. Before calling binary search method, the range must be sorted, else we will get undefined result. That is the reason before calling this binary search method, the long array content is sorted in this range using sort method of arrays class. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.